Well, hi there, resin creators. My name is Catherine Swift. I am the Chief Creative Director and CEO here at ResinObsession, and I've got a little bit of a resin whoops moment that I want to fix, and I'm going to take you on the journey with me. So this is a resin piece I made, months ago, and it was sitting on a shelf in my kitchen, and by God, if gravity didn't do its job, and it hit the floor, and it broke. And I could try gluing it back together, but I'm going to try something a little different today. So you might think, okay, we'll put it together with a little super glue. Not the best choice because super glue gets brittle and it can snap again. And so you can obviously use mixed epoxy as a glue, which is a perfect idea here, but then you've got, well, my gosh, how are we going to keep this still the entire time? You can see it was a pretty clean break. I mean, I've got all my, it's just one break. There aren't any missing pieces or anything to worry about, and it's coming back together nicely. So what I'm going to do here is put this back into the mold, and then I'm going to pour resin behind it again, and we'll let that cure, and we're going to see how this turns out. Okay, it's been a couple of days. Let's check on this and see how it's doing. Okay, resin is completely cured. So let's demold it and see what's going on. So I'm going to start down here at the end that was not broken. Let's peel it out. Alright, so remember this is where the resin was broken, so I'm going to just be kind of careful, just in case, I don't know, just in case. Alright, so we're peeling it out. Perfect, and it looks like everything has cured, so no worries there. It has completely come back together. The only thing I can tell right here is if I run my finger over it. So there we go. I don't know if you can see it. Both pieces did not, they kind of like, instead of coming together flush, they came just a smidge, like the LO part is just a smidge above the broken off part of the H. So if I rub my finger over it, I can feel a bump. However, right from this side, everything looks good. There's, you'd have to look hard to see the crack, which is fantastic. So if I was just, this, for what I need and fixing it and just putting it back on a shelf, I don't think anybody would ever notice unless they pick it up and like one of your artist friends and they're like, oh yeah, great. So I think this is a valid way to fix pieces. I don't know that I would do this if I was creating something to take to an art show to salvage it, but like if a customer contacted me and they're like, oh my gosh, right, same thing that happened here, right? It fell off the shelf, it broke, can you fix it for me? I think this is easily a way to get it to work, and it is on there solid, so I'm not worried one bit that it's no longer going to fall apart in that spot. It'll fall off a shelf and completely break a different spot next time. So I hope this helps someone, and if you have ever tried something different, by all means, leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear what some of you other ones have tried. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and the next time you need resin supplies, come on over to resinobsession.com. We ship same day if you order by noon Eastern, and free shipping to the USA on orders of 75 or more. So thanks for stopping by, and let's do this again soon.